change the font size in PowerShell, we do not have to open PowerShell as an administrator. So we just choose the Windows key and the R key, and then we type in PowerShell, and then we hit enter. And then we right-click on the upper frame of the window, and then we choose Properties, and then we choose Font, and then we choose the font size that we want, and then we choose OK. When we close PowerShell and open PowerShell again, the font size will still be changed. Now let's change the font size in PowerShell Eyes. So we choose the Windows key, the R key, and then we type in PowerShell Eyes, and then we hit enter. And then we choose Tools, Options, and then we choose the font size that we want, and then we choose OK. When we close PowerShell Eyes and open PowerShell Eyes again, the font size will still be changed.